Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would film a new what I eat in a day. We just came back from a 3.5 week trip. We were in Miami. So it's been really nice to be back home, be in my kitchen again with all my things, my cooking things. And I love to go to restaurants, to try different things. I always find a lot of inspiration from that. But it is really nice to be back home as well and know what's going into your food. I think it's important to have that balance. So right now I am sipping on my matcha. This is my peak matcha. Cheers. And earlier, as you saw, I had my warm water with lemon and lots of fresh water on top of that, and also my probiotics that I take every morning. Then I made my matcha, I put Nalia to sleep for her first nap, and now I'm gonna have my breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast, I've been making this chia pudding with warm, fresh blueberry jam. This is actually something I had a few times in Miami at our hotel breakfast. Totally inspired me to make something similar at home, and it's so delicious. And the chia pudding is so great for meal prepping. I just make this the night before, which also makes things very easy in the morning. So I like to add a little granola on the side, some fresh strawberries, which are now in season, and they are so good, and they just make me so happy. And as I'm doing this, I am preparing the warm blueberry jam, and it's so simple. Just warm some fresh or frozen blueberries. I've also done this with raspberries, works really great too. And then just add a little honey and some chia seeds. Just mix it around, and then I just gently mush the blueberries with my wooden spoon against the pot to give it that nice thick texture, and it's ready. I love this combination of the cold chia seed pudding with the warm jam on top. Lots of great fiber, healthy omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamins from the berries. Plus it's just really filling and satisfying too. So after breakfast is when I take my supplements. I do my probiotics before because those digest better on an empty stomach, and then there are some that digest better with food. I do tend to switch up which supplements I take depending on what I feel my body needs, but there are some that are pretty consistent. One of my favorites is a good omega. I also took this throughout pregnancy. This one is from Nordic Naturals. It's their ultimate omega. This is really good for joint health, for skin health, really good for brain health too. So I take 2 capsules. Then I also take my Nutrafol. This is a hair growth supplement. I've been taking this one now for over a month. You take 4 capsules. I do love a magnesium as well. This is my favorite from JS Health, but this I love to take in the evening time. I actually take it after dinner. It can help calm your nervous system. It helps your body to relax. It's great for your muscles. Really, really love this. And then also at this time, I take a vitamin C. This is from Live On Labs. It's a liposomal vitamin C, so it's a liquid form. So this helps it to get absorbed better and quicker and more efficiently by your body. So yeah, it's a squeezy packet like this. I just open it up. This does not taste the best, but it is really good for you. So I just squeeze it in like that. It does not dissolve in the water, so that's normal. Even if you take a spoon and you mix it around, it will still retain this kind of shape. So I just drink this down. Vitamin C is of course so important for our bodies. It's the precursor to collagen production and so many other functions in our body. One supplement that I take every single morning that is a staple in my routine is my probiotic. My favorite one is from Seed. This is their daily symbiotic. This is actually a probiotic and a prebiotic combined into one. You guys know my love for this product, and right now they are offering 40% off. This is the biggest discount that I've ever received to share with you guys, so it's really exciting. If you're not taking a probiotic yet, or if you're looking for a really, really high quality one, I would highly recommend this. This probiotic is not only great for your gut health, but it has specific strains in here that are proven to support your skin health, your brain health, your emotional health, even your immune system. And I've been taking this for over 2.5 years now. I love it. I take 2 2 capsules every morning on an empty stomach. The technology behind this is so smart. There's so much research that has gone into making this probiotic. Everything from the specific strains that they use, because not all probiotics are created equal in terms of the kinds of bacteria, but also just the delivery technology. You guys probably know it has this really great outer shell that allows the bacteria to bypass and make it all the way down to your colon, and not all probiotics can do that. So this is really special, and again, they're having 40% off just for this month. So you guys can use my code AnnieJ at checkout and the link down below, and that will get you 40% off your first month supply of seed. So later on for lunch, I made this yummy pasta salad with leftover salmon from last night. It's so fresh and well balanced. I love this. So these are the ingredients. I've got my leftover salmon, some gluten-free pasta, half a cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, a little fresh basil, and a bowl of greens. So I start with the pasta, and as that is cooking, I take a piece of the salmon and just with a fork, I'm mashing it up. This is my classic salmon recipe that is so simple and delicious, just using olive oil, tamari sauce, garlic, onion, and oregano powder. I will have the recipe for you down below. So just mashing that up and adding the juice of half a lemon, and then I'm slicing the cucumber, the cherry tomatoes, and the basil, and adding that to the bowl. Now the pasta is ready. I'm adding that into the bowl as well with some salt and pepper and a little olive oil, and just mixing that around. The salmon already has so much flavor on its own, plus with the fresh basil. I personally just love it like this with a little salt, pepper, and olive oil. It's simple but so yummy. And I also like some sunflower seeds in there too. These are a great source of zinc and selenium, and I like that they add a little crunch to the salad. So just adding all of this now to the greens, and then I'm gonna top it with some avocado because everything is good with avocado. Plus I love the healthy fats as well. This salad is so yummy and it's so well balanced. You've got the healthy fats from the salmon, the protein as well, the pasta, the greens. I love this. It's such a perfect like summer pasta salad recipe, and I love things that you can meal prep as well. This goes great in the fridge. You can have it the next day. Alright, so back home for dinner. I've made this a few times since we've been back from our trip. It's a simple rice, veggie, and chicken dish, all made in one pan, so cleanup is easier. I also made some oven roasted asparagus. These are in season right now too, super delicious, and they're really easy to prepare. So starting with just heating up the oven to 220, I cut off the lower end of the asparagus, place them in a glass dish. I pour a little olive oil on top, some salt and pepper, mix it all around, and then that will go in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then moving on to the rice. So I'm starting with spraying a little olive oil in my pan. I love this one I got from Thrive Market in the US. I stocked up on a few of these. So I love red onion in this dish. This was 1 medium red onion, a zucchini, and a red bell pepper as well. So I'm frying the veggies for just a minute or so, then moving them off to the side, and I'm adding my chicken to the center. I like to give the chicken a little time to fry by itself just so that it gets this nice golden crispy outer layer. And I'm also adding a little poultry seasoning on top. And as that is cooking, I am chopping up some fresh parsley that I will sprinkle on top of the rice. I absolutely love using fresh herbs in my meals. They're not only really flavorful, but they provide lots of healthy vitamins and antioxidants. This is the rice I'm using. It's a coconut chili and lemongrass minute rice. These are great for when you're in a time crunch, or you're like me and you're just not the best at cooking rice. These are great for once in a while, and it goes perfectly with this dish. So I just sprinkled the parsley on top, a little salt and pepper. We all had this. Nalia loves it too. There you can see her plate with some strawberries and avocado, and I just make sure to cut the chicken up a little bit smaller so that it's easier for her to eat as well. It is currently 7:40 p.m. I just put Nalia to sleep. I'm now going to take a shower, get cozy. I've already put the curtains down, or the blinds down here in our bedroom. It is soon summer, which I love. I love, love, love. The sun is out till almost like 9, I want to say. But when the day's over, I love for it to be cozy and more like dim lighting. So yeah, the blinds are shut. I'm about to take a shower, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found some good inspiration, some new ideas, some new recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.